अस्सलामुअलैकुम व्यूअर्स। क्रिकेट और कमेंट्री का चूली दामन का साथ है। किसी भी मैच में ऑडियंस का शौक को और तवज्जो को मरकूज बनाए रखता एक अच्छा कमेंटेटर और उसका हाजिर जवाबी मालूमात क्रिकेट से मुतल्लिक। पहले जहां क्रिकेट के इस शोबे पे ज़्यादातर मेल हजरात नुमाया थे, अब कुछ अरसे से उसमें ख़वातीन भी शामिल हुई हैं जो कि बहुत खुशाइंद है। और शाउट आउट टू आवर फेवरेट PSL 6 commentators. It's not about the women, but we are feeling so proud we had to. Just we discuss three commentators of PSL 6. Number one, Sana Mir. Sana Mir is a former Pakistani cricketer who served as captain of Pakistan national women's cricket team in ODIs and T20 internationals. She played in 226 international matches, including 137 of those as the captain of the side. She was the first bowler of Pakistan to take 100 wickets in ODIs. Second commentator Zainab Abbas. She became the first Pakistani female presenter in the International Cricket Council Cricket World Cup and PSL 2019. She used to work as a makeup artist at her own studio until 2015 and hosted the sports program Cricket Divangi and the web series talk show Sawal Cricket Ka in 2019. Third lady is Uruj Mumtaz Khan. She is a Pakistani cricket commentator, television host, dentist, and former cricketer. She is a dentist by profession. She participated in one Test match, 38 ODIs, and 9 T20 matches. She also played in the ICC Women's World Cup 2009 as the captain of the team. Best wishes for PSL 2021.